Hey everybody, I'm going to show you the lost art of making a grasshopper chair. We made these when we were kids and they're very neat. You make them out of these. These are part of the the little stems, the tall stems that grow up from them. Okay, this is how you make the back. There's your back. Turn your hand over. Now, one by one, you put them down. This is making the seat. Pull that forward, hold it down. Now, you get another one, pull it in between your fingers, and put it down. You just do this for ever how big you want your seat to be. Ever how big your grasshopper is, okay? If you have a pet grasshopper, you can make him a chair. You just keep doing it. We did this when we were youngins, as Grandma would say. We didn't have video games, and we didn't stay in and watch TV all the time. We were outside all day. And you just keep on going. Keep on going. And I think I'll do one more. Now, pull it down, and you get a hold of them underneath here, like that, and slip your fingers out. Oops, got caught on my ring. Now there's your back, here's your seat, and then what you do is you get another one here, and you tie it together. And it helps if you got somebody helping you here. Somebody can hold your chair while you tie it. But I don't have anybody right now, so. There we go. Straighten her up a little bit. And here's your grasshopper chair. Now you can get your grasshopper and put him on his chair. Now, it keeps wanting to mess up on me, but you get the idea. We did these all the time when we were young. There's your grasshopper chair. Just waiting for your grasshopper to come and sit on it.